Imagine a place where precision and excellence meet in every detail, a place where raw nature is transformed into luxurious, high-quality products. Welcome to the White Rhinoceros Leather Factory, a meticulous industrial process that spans numerous stages to create exclusive leather pieces. Have you ever wondered how rhino leather is shaped into a coveted product? Today, we will take you through each of these steps, from the arrival of the rhinos to the final product that you can admire in a luxury store. At the start of this journey, what we see are white rhinos, majestic and imposing, arriving at the factory. They are carefully transported with all due care and respect, as this entire process begins with animal welfare. Each rhino is carefully inspected by professionals who ensure their health and safety before entering the leather collection stages. The logistics involved are impressive, with cranes and hydraulic systems working in perfect harmony to move the large animals safely and efficiently. Here, precision is critical to ensure the process is as humane and ethical as possible. When the rhinos arrive at the factory, their hides are separated, and the first major challenge begins: how to remove the leather without damaging it. The factory uses a mechanical scraping system that removes waste and fat from the surface, preparing the material for the subsequent treatments. High-precision machines are used to ensure the leather is treated carefully, preserving its integrity and durability. This is done by specialized technicians who, with their experienced hands, inspect each piece of hide to ensure the quality of the final product. Now picture the scene. The industry transforms into a large production machine with a line of equipment working in unison. The hides pass through tanning tanks, where a series of chemical processes are applied to soften and stabilize the leather. Here, the work of the professionals becomes a true industrial ballet. High-tech machines mix chemicals, while technicians carefully control the temperature and pH, adjusting everything to ensure the leather maintains the necessary strength and flexibility. But it's not just that. The leather also undergoes a series of treatments to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Neutralization baths, controlled drying, flattening, and technical sanding are carried out, with each stage ensuring the final product is flawless. This careful attention could not be done without the help of state-of-the-art machines, operating with incredible precision and synchronization. The environment, now with the continuous movement of machines and workers, becomes a spectacle of efficiency. Now, we come to a pivotal moment, the transformation of the raw leather into a finished product. This is where the technical cutting and industrial design process takes place, where each piece is shaped, sewn, and assembled with a unique design. Specialized craftsmen cut and shape each piece with precision tools, while automated sewing takes care of joining the parts, creating the first prototypes of bags, jackets, and other luxury items. The quality is not limited to production, but also to the finishing touches. With every piece, a careful treatment of varnishes, waxes, and sealants is applied to ensure that the white rhinoceros leather stands out in any display. Quality control is relentless, with each item being thoroughly inspected to guarantee it meets the luxury and exclusivity standards the brand promises. Now we reach a turning point. Before showing you how these pieces make their way to the luxury stores, we want to hear from you. What do you think about this entire process? Have you imagined all that goes into creating a luxury product like this? Don't forget to leave your like, share the video with your friends, and of course comment below on what impressed you the most so far. Now that the leather pieces have gone through all the stages of production, with perfect finishing and guaranteed quality, it's time for them to be transformed into final products that capture the attention of consumers. The leather bags, jackets, and other luxury accessories are carefully packed and prepared for shipment. Here, packaging is not just about protection, but an essential part of the experience. The pieces are wrapped in silk paper, bubble wrap, and placed in luxury boxes, with the brand's logo stamped in gold. It's a detail that makes all the difference, conveying a touch of sophistication and exclusivity from the moment of purchase. And what happens next? Well, the destination of these high-end pieces is none other than luxury stores and exclusive showrooms, where they are displayed in radiant windows, waiting for a special customer who understands and appreciates the art of manufacturing. Picture a luxury store with a sophisticated ambiance, where each piece of rhinoceros leather is showcased under strategic lighting and customized displays. The bags, jackets, and other leather goods are organized in a way that highlights their beauty and uniqueness. The camera then focuses on the vitrines shining under the light, while customers gaze in awe at the exclusivity of the product. The customer, now intrigued, does not simply buy a luxury product. They acquire a story, a process that took months of perfection to create. They are purchasing a unique item with added value that is not just aesthetic, but also emotional, due to the time and skill involved in its creation. The feeling of exclusivity is palpable, and the customer knows they own something that only a few have access to. After the sale, the customer is not just left behind. No, the factory's commitment goes beyond the transaction. They offer post-sale support, ensuring that every customer has the best possible experience with the purchased product. This includes satisfaction checks and post-sale quality tests to ensure the rhinoceros leather maintains its beauty and strength over time. Should any issues arise, the warranty steps in, with the factory ensuring that each customer is completely satisfied with their purchase. And how does all of this reflect the success of the industrial process? Throughout this journey, from the arrival of the rhinos to the final delivery to the customer's hands, everything has been meticulously planned to ensure quality, exclusivity, and luxury. The quality control at every phase of the process, from tanning to finishing, ensures the pieces are flawless, while the marketing, carefully planned, helps create desire in the public. The logistics of distribution and the promotion in exclusive retail locations create a unique shopping experience that only elevates the perception of value of the product. And the big secret lies in the feedback. The factory knows that customer satisfaction is the key to its continued success. Therefore, every return is heard, every experience is recorded, and every comment is taken into account to adjust the future processes. This cycle of continuous improvement is what keeps the factory ahead in the luxury market, always refining and innovating. Now that you've followed this fascinating journey, from the arrival of the rhinos to the final product delivery, what did you think about this entire process? How do you imagine that this level of precision and care in production can influence the quality of the product? Don't forget to comment below, like the video, and of course share it with your friends so they can also learn about the incredible process behind the White Rhinoceros Leather Factory. Now, we can confidently say that you've truly seen inside how a luxury product is made, not just for its material value, but for the dedication, precision, and innovation that go into every stage of this production.